Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. One of the best electrician, experience, past, present and future. He is here. And he have his car that suddenly the car have the flashlight is striking, but it's very fast. He brought the car inside, and here is the van here. And what happened is, I'm going to show you what we see outside. Okay, this is the car here now. Look at the back.
Yeah.
When you see here, you see this light is struck like this. Oh, the hazard light is flashing very fast. But, and I say, wait a minute, this is speed. The flashlight will never have this kind of speed. You see how it is? So what happened is, first I went inside, and at the front also, or just in the back? Front also?
Next one.
No, yeah, you see here how it is. So what I did is, I go inside, I look. First I activate the flashlight, which is, the hazard light, which is here. I activate the hazard light. See here, it's different. So this one have nothing to do with that one. I activate it, and let me see now what I have. The flashlight is still there working by this side, you see? This is the flashlight. But this stroke is totally look different. So what I did, I look, I did a visual inspection. I say, how come this happened? So I come in here and I look around. I look around here, I don't see nothing. I look around here, I see one switch here. When I turn this switch like this, that thing disappears. So he have this kind of system in his car, but he don't know. And now you see everything is gone. We only have the hazard light which is flashing. Can you stop the hazard light? The hazard light is flashing. You're gonna stop the hazard light. Now nothing there. And the problem was that we have aftermarket strobe light was built in this car and was being activated suddenly without nobody know. Always when you have a problem, go to the principle, go to the basics, look at the basics, what happened, what's going on, and everything will be okay. Thank you for watching.